In this case, the patient has a short right leg, which means a posterior pelvis on his right side. First, Dr. John adjusts the subluxations around the T5, T6 area. Second, he moves down to correct the pelvis. Laying on his left side, Dr. John adjusts the patient's right pelvis, which was rotated backwards, forward. With the patient on his back, Dr. John corrects the subluxations in the patient's neck, which are in a C3 to the left and C5 to the right.